Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change the subtitle language in YouTube. So you can do this on any YouTube video, obviously you can translate it to any language you want to. If this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually very simple, and what you're going to want to do first is come across to YouTube and just get the video up that you want to start playing. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to use one of my own as an example. So what you're going to do is start playing the video first of all. I've just got this muted as well, just so you can just hear me speaking. And what you need to do from here, as I say, it's very simple, is if you come down and you'll see this little gear icon under the video which says settings, give that a click, and then what you want to do is click onto this one here which says Subtitle CC. And what's going to happen, it's going to set it to English by default, so auto-generated. You'll see the subtitles are going to start coming up like so. But to actually change this, what you want to do is then click onto where it says English auto-generated, and then click onto auto-translate, and then you can choose from a list of languages. So we can go for this one, for example. Now this does use the Google Translate feature, so it might not be 100% accurate. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.